Okay, so let's try this again. This is a continuation of the video on the jack stands for the Zero Turn Mower. I'll flip it around here and we'll show you what we're up to. There will also be a video talking about this welding table here that I have them all sitting on. These are the jack stands here. You can see they're on a 1/4 inch plate of steel. It's actually diamond plate, and I put the diamonds tread facing down, and then at the top up here they will each get a piece of angle iron that the lip of my Zero Turn Mower Deck can sit on, and then the back wheels will be chalked so it can't roll, plus it's hydrostatic so they typically won't roll anyway with the emergency brake on. But I chalked the wheels anyway, and then I can get up under it safely and take the mower deck mower blades off to sharpen. My mower deck actually, or my mower rather, has a tube on the front that allows me to put another pipe into, which I made a pipe with a chain on it that I can slide in there and lift up the mower with it, and then set it back down on the jack stands here so it's safely held up, so I can get up under there with the impact, take the mower blades off and sharpen them. So here we go. I'm going to continue working on these, just filming a little bit of it. This is my new welding table. I'm rebuilding it. It's a combination welding table, plasma table. It's not perfectly flat, but I actually have a certified flat table over there. So I don't have a video of this whole thing in progress, the welding table, but I'll do a follow-up as I finish it up. I do have kind of a preview of it I shot, and then I'll get it finished up and give you a little tour. All right, here we go. Let me reset and start going. All right, there you go. I've got the angle iron set in the top. I realized that the base is carbon steel or mild steel and the tops are stainless, and I'm just using mild steel wire in my welder. It'll weld just fine for what this is. It's not a that's why I'm doing 2 of them, so they're going to hold more weight than that mower could ever put out, and I'm not worried about it. They're penetrating good. I'm running it on a higher amperage, so I'll get these tacked up and then we'll move on. But I got to leave that clamp on until they cool. I have it clamped front and back, steel all the way across to help keep that 1/4 inch plate down there from warping. So because I had to put quite a bit of heat in. The plate is 1/4 inch and the tubing is 1/4 inch. So that's 3 inch. Probably 1/4 inch is what Schedule 80. So it's like 3 inch Schedule 80 square tubing. This is all scrap. I picked up at a scrap yard. Well, actually, the plate, the diamond plate, is a piece of scrap from when I built my truck bumper. So anyway, that's where we're at. I'll get back to you when I'm done. All right, there they go, completely done. Like I said, I believe they're 18 inches tall. They actually might be 20. We'll see. Like I said, diamond plate on the bottom so that it'll get grippy on the ground. You can see the circle from the heat where I welded it. And then these are welded all the way around. Not my best welds. I haven't welded in a while. But the hold for this application, there was a couple of gaps in there that I had to fill. I am a hobby welder. Yes, I've welded a long time, but still I'm just a hobby welder. So there you go. When I get my mower out next time, I'll go ahead and, because I got to bring it around to sharpen these blades maybe tomorrow, and then we will go ahead and get it squared away. Oh, that's kind of cool. The frame rate makes the fan blade look like it's barely turning. I actually have that blowing out, so it pulled the welding smoke and the grinding smoke out of the basement, creating a suction. Plus I have this set of fans blowing behind me to blow it out. So got push-pull on the fans. All right, I still have one more board to go on the trailer when I get a chance. That's this board right here. I got to trim it again. It's still just a smidge wide. It's got a little curve in it, and because of that curve, it fits tight at one end and tight at the other and loose in the middle. So I got to trim this end and that end to square it up. I'm not going to worry about the curve on the outside if I can help it. But who knows, I might have to trim that too. All right, the jack stands are for the Zero Turn mower are done. All right, there's the jack stands in action. Working great, give me plenty of clearance to get up under there to change the blades. I made this a while back that just drops onto the attachment they give me on the deck for lifting it, and I just use my little tractor to lift it, and it had plenty of oomph to lift it, no problem. So there you go, works great. I got my blades off, ready to go sharpen them.